2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid. With less than 7,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.